Hi traders, Anthony here. I'm going to show you my strategy here trading the New Zealand Kiwi yen. I actually entered this trade at this level here. So you're going to have an issue with spread, and that's fine. So you need to take that into consideration. I'm actually trading this on a higher time frame, 15-minute chart. So we'll just take this one down to the 15. What I'm looking for is opportunities here to buy. The market's bullish. There's definitely momentum here to the upside without a doubt. Okay, we can see clearly on the 15. Bullish momentum, although we do have this double top setting up here, so that's a little bit of a concern. What I did like though was this dip down. Looks like a liquidity run to me, and then strong move continued to the upside. Okay, so I saw that and I thought, well, yeah, the bulls are definitely in this. That looks like a stop run, and we should see this continue. So that was my thinking. But that aside, what this is about is we receive these signals, these guys here, and I'm looking for the green signal in this case, this green breakout. So we had it, and this is the breakout here. The strategy is, when we receive the signal, we're looking for the retest and fail of the range, or to pull back into the mean. As you can see, we have this middle line through here. So the market pulled back. I actually entered a market buy here, but entry was set up here. So take into consideration whatever the spread is with your broker. And I'm going to explain why I took this trade and the benefit of this whole system. Given that this is bullish, this is a 15-minute chart, we could consider trading this off the 15-minute chart in terms of where we might want to set stop losses and things like that. But I'm going to be going into the 1-minute chart for entry. So this is now where I take 80%, and I'm building my account here. So we close, partial close, and I'm going to go 8-0 here. Money in the bag. Have a look at the account. This is TradingView's paper trading account, but I'm using this to show people how to grow their account. And I mean, you can see these trades are kind of working out okay. Okay, so we've just closed $48 in profit here. So with $48 in the bag, what we do now is we pull our stop loss down. See how this value is $45 here? So with $3 the difference, I'm more or less breaking even right now. This is covering my broker fees. So this trade is 100% risk-free. And then from here, I have a weekly, see this line here? This is off our indicators here. It's giving me a weekly key level of resistance right there. So I'm going to set up my target up here. And I'll go back and I'll show you how we take these trades and what it's all about. So I'm just going to go long position here. If that's my entry, and then we can trade this off the 15-minute if you like, and you can go for 1 to 2 risk reward. Going back, here's the thing with this. Let me clear all that. Now it's risk-free. You can go to bed or go out. You can just leave this alone if you wanted to. But what we want to do is we want to trail a stop loss. See these green dots? I'm going to pull a stop loss up behind these green dots. So if dots keep forming, I'll keep pulling the stop loss up. My golden rule is I won't pull my stop loss back. If I commit to it, it stays there or better. That's really, really important. I can't tell you how many times this cost me money, this mistake, moving your stop loss around. We're looking at these signals here, green breakout. So what we're going to do is going to mark them out, and we're going to have a look back on this chart. I'm only interested in the green breakout, not red breakout. Okay, I won't take these. This is bullish, and I'm wanting where we get the pullback and we start to trade out. We get the pullback and we start to trade. We start to trade out of the pullback here, okay, into the next impulse leg. There you go. Stop loss was hit, but we're ahead. We came out of it 33.48 for the difference. And that was a pretty tight stop loss here. It just depends on your risk appetite and how you want to do that. But let's go back here and look for these signals on the 1-minute time frame here. So we're taking, and you can see this pullback, and then we start to move, and that's when we get in, when there's momentum and we've broken out of this range low. It seriously doesn't get any better than this. and they're firing, they're coming to here, and these are just so many opportunities to capitalize on this strategy. There's the breakout, and you can see clearly there's the pullback, and we're trading out of the pullback into the next impulse leg. Guys, take the opportunity to check the link in the description below and have a look at my website. There's a ton of information on there. You know, we can just keep going back basically, and we're just going to pick all of these green signals. I mean, look, that gave us a signal. Again, we're trading on the higher time frame, so we're just going to pick every one of these green signals. Okay, so that was up here, fair enough. You know, you don't know whether that's going to, you know, if that's kind of the edge of the thing there. All right, but again, you know, your risk is going to be based on like the 15-minute chart, for example. So you'll have your stop loss well and truly, if that's your thing there, you know, you can have your stop loss down under these this row of dots on the 15-minute if you want to. All right, you got taken out here, fair enough, but that was, well, you didn't, because the signal was back here, and you know, you would have followed your stop loss up. So again, yeah, click on the link below the video and DM me. Happy to answer any questions. Go to my website. Look forward to hearing from you. Safe trading. See you in the next one.
What you've got.